All right, today we're doing systems of inequalities word problems. And just like all the other word problems we've done, they're really not that hard, okay? So we're going to look at these four boxes here, and these are the words you will see in the word problem. And these will help you to know which signs to use. So if it says less than, under, below, beneath, or fewer than, you just use the less than sign. Not less than or equal to, you just use the less than sign. So we look over here, if it says more than, greater, over, greater slash larger than, or exceeds, we use the greater than symbol. All right? And then let me scroll down a little bit and rewrite it. There we go. So again, less than, under, below, this one, more than, greater than, over, this one. Now, if it says at most, no more than, maximum, or bottom, we use the less than or equal to sign because you cannot exceed, you can't go past that number. All right, and then if it says at least, no less than, minimum, or top, you use the greater than or equal to sign. Okay, make sure we have that written down. That is going to be crucial to write these correctly. All right, scroll down. So we're going to write it just how we've done all the other word problems before. We're just using inequality signs. So Zoe is selling her old clothes at a garage sale. She sells shirts for $3 each and jeans for $7 each. Let's stop real quick. We're going to make shirts X. Y'all remember how I used to write all my other word problems? We're going to put X at the top for $3 each. Make sure you circle that. And jeans will be Y for $7 each. All right? She can sell no more than, you see the words, no more than 30 items with plans to make at least $100. So again, let's put X in shirts. We're going to circle how much shirts will sell for. Y is jeans, and we'll circle how much they'll sell for. She can sell no more than 30 items. All right, so let's stop to write our first equation. We see jeans, or it says shirts plus jeans, and she can sell no more than. So at the maximum she can sell is 30. So we look at our notes already. No more than, we know is going to be this symbol, the less than or equal to sign, 30. All right, and then we know jeans, shirts plus jeans. Sorry, I keep saying jeans first. Shirts plus jeans, which is X plus Y, shirts plus jeans, can sell no more than 30. So X plus Y is less than or equal to 30. There's our first equation. Then we know our second equation, shirts and jeans, how much do they cost? 3X plus 7Y. All right, and then it says she plans to make at least $100. So let's look at our notes. Where is the at least words? So we know it's greater than or equal to 100. And we're done. So again, those notes at the top are going to be crucial. That'll help you write it every single time. All right, let's move to number 2 real quick. In a dart game, green balloons are worth 50 points and blue balloons are worth 75 points. So let's stop. We know green will be X and they're worth 50. And we know blue will be Y and they're worth 75. Again, it's just the first thing they say is X. Second thing is Y. There's no trick. Jasmine can shoot 10 balloons at most and needs to score no less than 500 points to win a prize. All right, so from here, we see she can only shoot 10 balloons at most. So we look at our notes. At most is going to be this symbol. So we know at most 10. So green plus blue balloons are worth, or green plus blue balloons equal 10. She can only shoot at most 10. So X plus Y is less than or equal to 10. Let me stop real quick and talk about, because in the last word problem unit, when we did word problems, some of y'all virtually thought every time the first equation would always be X plus Y. It's not always that, okay? So you just have to read it, use your notes, and read it to figure out what the equations are. It's not always going to be X plus Y is less than or equal to 10, or X plus Y is equal to 10. Okay, so just read and then you'll know. All right, let's move on. So it says green balloons are worth 50. So we know 50x plus, and we know blue balloons are worth 75, 75y. And it says she needs to score no less than, so we look at our notes, where is no less than? No less than is greater than or equal to 500, and we are done. All right, so remember, just read the problem, define what is x, what is y, and then go from there. All right, I'm going to erase this so I can move down to the third one. Hopefully we have it. All right, let's go down to the last one. All right, Mateo sells hot dogs and hamburgers. Hot dogs are $2.50 each, and hamburgers are $4.25 each. He needs to make no more than $160, and he must sell more than 25 hot dogs since the meat is about to expire. I think it meant hot dogs and hamburgers. That might be a typo. But from here, let's hot dogs are X, and they're worth $2.50. Hamburgers are Y, and they're worth $4.25. He needs to make more than 160, and he must sell more than 25 hot dogs and hamburgers. Let's say it like that. So first, we see he has to sell more than 25. So X plus Y, hot dogs plus hamburgers, is greater than 25. You have to sell more than 25 hot dogs and hamburgers since the meat is about to expire. So again, it won't always be X plus Y, but for these three problems, it was. Okay? Then from here, we see X is hot dogs and they're worth $2.50 each. $2.50 each. So 250X plus 425, 4.25 Y. All right? And it says he needs to make more than 160. There's not no more than, exceeds, none of that. It just says more than 160. So we know just more than 160. And we're done. Okay? Again, it should be really easy. You are just reading the problem. You're remembering your notes to use which sign, and then you're just using the numbers in the word problem. All right? Complete the matching worksheet. It looks like this. Let me scroll down. It looks like this. Elise is buying necklaces and bracelets for her friends. That worksheet. Okay. Match them with. Let me scroll down. Match them with these. So you'll write out the equations and you'll match them. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.